G'day people. Wusses. They're all around us. You might be one. A family member might be one. A friend might be one. Do you know a wuss? A wuss is something that's very serious and we must talk about it. So, a wuss is a person that is scared. They're scared to do things because of fear. And the fear takes hold of them so they cannot do it. Now, let's get into a few things that people might be scared of. One, they might be scared of heights. So you go up to a mountain, you go up to a building, and you look down. Ooh, that's very... down there. That is very long way down. I'm too scared. I'm scared of heights. I don't want to go. That person is a wuss. They are scared to go up to high places. Oh, they're very scared. Another thing you can be a wuss at is fighting. Now, not everyone actually likes to fight, and not everyone is a wuss that actually does not like to fight. So, if you challenge someone, come on mate, you want to fight? I'll fight you mate, I'll bash your head in. Your friends go, no, please don't. That's a wuss. But, someone is not a wuss, is oh yeah, come on, I'll fight. And your friends go, yeah, I don't want to fight you mate, because I'm going to hurt you. And that person would not be a wuss, because you don't know. They might be scared, or they might be a black belt in a type of martial arts. And in that case, they could do a lot of damage, especially if it's Thai boxing. One kick, one punch, and they're probably knocked out. So, no violence. Don't do violence, people. It doesn't actually help, really. Another thing was, this one is drinking. People are going, come on, skull of beer. And in Australia, skull of beer just means get the whole glass or bottle, drink it all without breathing once, without stopping. So you drink the whole lot straight away. And someone might be going, no, I don't want a skull of the beer. Well, I don't want a skull. And the other guy's going, you're a wuss, mate. You're a wuss. You're too scared. You don't want a skull of beer. So, that is a few ways in which we use the word wuss. So, if you're in Australia and you're scared to do something, you're a fucking wuss. Grow some balls and fucking go out there and do it. Oh, unless you actually want to hurt people, then I'd suggest, nah, don't do it.